Roshni Dhar. Welcome to Medical Dialogues, daily dose of health and medical news. Let's look at today's top health news. MBBS students to be permitted to write exams as and when Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences conducts it. NEET PG 2021 scorecards declared null and void, NBE to release revised ones soon. NMC gives approval to Lakhimpur Medical College, 100 MBBS seats to be added. DCGI approves Molbio Diagnostics TrueNut Scrub T test for scrub typhus. In a major relief to students who are unable to write the MBBS examination due to COVID-19 or for any other reason, Karnataka High Court has issued an order to allow the medicos to appear for the exams later as and when the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science issues a notification. The court order was issued by Justice R. Devdas while deliberating a plea filed by Pani Yupung from Arunachal Pradesh and 19 others. The court referred to the advisory of the Technical Advisory Committee, observing that few students coming from Kerala and other states may test positive for COVID. The court order further mentioned that the advisory issued by the state government would also apply to the medical students. Thus, the state government sought suggestions of TSC on which the committee advised that the examinations can go on but with certain conditions. According to the conditions laid, the medical students coming from Kerala should be asymptomatic. They should compulsorily arrive in Karnataka carrying a negative RT-PCR test certificate not older than 72 hours, irrespective of the status of their vaccination. Further, upon arrival, they need to self-quarantine for 7 days following proper medical supervision and COVID-appropriate behavior. It further advised that the exam centers should conduct the theory examination of these students in separate rooms and clinical and practical examinations should also be held separately following a proper screening of the students for COVID-19, which includes thermal scanning for fever, pulse oximeter for oxygen saturation, and so on. In a gigantic update for candidates who appeared for NEET PG 2021, the NBE has declared the already issued scorecard as null and void due to an error in the cutoff scores noted in them. The NAT board will release the revised scorecard of the NEET PG 2021 exam soon. Once released, candidates will be able to check the revised scorecard from the NBEMS website. The medical education in Assam has achieved a major milestone as the Lakhimpur Medical College has finally received the nod from the Medical Assessment and Rating Board of the NMC for admitting 100 students in the MBBS course. State Health Minister Keshav Mahanta in a statement said the letter of approval was received from the NMC by the state's medical education directorate during the day. Now with the MRB approval for the medical college, Assam has got its 8th medical college and the MBBS seats in the state has risen up to 1,100. In a significant development, Molbio Diagnostics has got a go-ahead from the Drug Controller General of India for its TrueNut Scrub T to test for scrub typhus. With this nod, Molbio Diagnostics announced the launch of the new chip-based real-time PCR test TrueNut Scrub T for the quantitative detection of scrub typhus bacteria in blood serum and plasma specimens. Scrub typhus is a bacterial infection caused by Norinchia tsutsugamushi bacteria. Scrub typhus is transmitted to humans via infected sugar bites. Fever, headache, body aches, and rash are the most typical symptoms of scrub typhus. Scrub typhus may lead to untoward fatality due to delayed diagnosis and treatment. Every year, roughly 1 million people in India are infected with scrub typhus. TrueNut by Molbio has previously been approved to identify a variety of infectious diseases including COVID-19, tuberculosis, H1N1, dengue, and hepatitis. Real-time PCR can aid in the early detection of disease, which can then be effectively controlled to lower the death rate, which can reach 30% in some circumstances. The following are the key features of this kit. Assay based on TaqMan chemistry, higher primary sensitivity and specificity, microchip-based real-time PCR assay, minimal sample requirement at 6 microliter, smart chip with preset data for quantification of results, chip reuse lock, reaction port with contamination resisting design. Sriram Natranjan, founder, director and CEO of Molbio Diagnostics, spoke about the significance of the role TrueNut can play in detecting the disease early and accurately, and he stated, We have addressed the critical need for reliable technologies that can enable early and accurate diagnosis by making molecular testing accessible and affordable. We are very happy that our TrueNet test for scrub typhus has now been approved by DCGI. This will help in fighting against the disease and prevent unnecessary morbidity and mortality. That's all from the Health World today.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.